Let's make our own Lebanese 7 spice. And the reason why you want to make your own 7 spice is that when you buy them in the shop, these spice blends, sometimes they pack them with the cheaper spices like cloves. And I can always smell them from like a mile. When you make your own spice blend, you are in control. You are the master of the spices. So actually there's like more than 7 spices in 7 spice. The word 7 is actually used for multiple in Arabic. So we use that, to say, oh, loads of spices. It's not strictly 7. Okay, so let's start with 2 tablespoons of black pepper. A good black pepper should make your nose tingle. You should be able to smell it. If you can't smell a spice, it's probably very old. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now paprika gives you a lot of flavor but not too much spice, so we can put 2 tablespoons of that in. Then we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, which sadly is not in my spice box because I don't use as much. But yeah, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of turmeric. Now turmeric is quite potent, it's very earthy, so I feel it doesn't need 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon will do. The next one I have is ground coriander, and we're going to add a tablespoon of that. Next we're going to go in with a tablespoon of cayenne pepper or red chili powder, any kind of red spicy powder will do. And then we have a tablespoon of cumin. And obviously I'm not being strict with the tablespoons, but it's more about ratios here. And finally, we're gonna go in with 5 tablespoons of garam masala. Yes, garam masala from India. I had this person say to me, but it's not Lebanese. Well, all spices came from India back in the day, so I don't know where they got this idea. It has to be grown in Lebanon. It doesn't have to be garam masala, it can be any kind of generic spice blend. So if you love, Chinese spice, use that. If you love jerk, use that. There are no hard and fast rules about spice blends. Give it a good shake, make sure all of those spices combine well, and literally this is how I can use 7 spice in about 90% of Lebanese dishes. I will put either a quarter or a tablespoon of the 7 spice in, and you have done all the spicing. This spice blend is so good, I might even start selling it, you never know. Full recipe is in the link in the description below, and check the website for more spice blends such as cumin. Check our blog for loads of Lebanese recipes that will use this 7 spice, and I will see you very soon.